But friends, don't miss this. The same God who judged sin in the Old Testament is the same God who took judgment upon himself in the New. In the Old Testament, God's wrath was poured against sin. In the New Testament, God's wrath was poured on Jesus for our sin. And that is not contradiction. That is consistency. God's love, God's justice and love for us. The justice of God demanded that sin must be punished. The love of God provided the substitute, who is